Magsingsang itak. Singsang itak para kanya tayo. Tante makita ni Manang Alo. But at the same time, I'm happy because that is the beginning of your life actually. So nga ito tayo, kiniwa ng alon, ginaragsak. Hindi niya talaga peaceful.
Peaceful. Natal na.
Natal na. Nga, panagawid kanda nanay ito ni tatay. So, let her go. Medyo marigatan tayo matanggapan, tawing pay. We just let her go. She's happy where she is right now. Naragsak isunan. I know nanay and tatay is so happy to meet her again. And I'd like to thank this opportunity also sa batchmate ni Manang Alo for just coming in and being with us. This means a lot. DJ Online, we thank you so much. DJ katrabaho ni Manang Alo, the company she worked for, the company she loves to work for. And I'd like you to know sa, ano pangalan ng company? Phoenix.
Phoenix and Amatea.
Yeah, if you're listening po, she's been very proud na sharing her work and accomplishment in your company. So, we're glad na she's been part of your corporate. And nagitigagabsat ko kung mga nabawasan tayo. Yes, let's fight. Iyagapa tayo. Oh, may problema. Gimagintay tayo lata. My brother, our eldest brother, malog natin online. Manong, thank you for making Manang Alo's wish. So, pinagkaykaysa na tayo, pinagkaykaysa amin manan. Pinagkaykaysa na kami tayo, iya ka mong ibagat Ilocano. But you did your part as the eldest part, member of the family. Thank you, Manong. We love you so much. And Manong Lawrence, you stay strong there. I know you're alone too. But just be strong in your road. Kasi tibag, yag. And just keep moving on. As Manang Alo said, this is life. We have to accept it. And we have a greater God who knows everything. And there's a purpose for this. Amin kayo, manang ko, abing ko, manong ko, angkat ko. I'm sorry. Kaya dato, hindi ni manang ko nagligrigat. Salamat kanya yun. Marlene, Pandong, may Philippines, ni Bulata, so that the first fight ni Manang Alo. Thank you. Ha?
Ate Alin.
Thank you. Nante Alin, ang kwenta ng antik. Thank you, Auntie. I love you.
Always joking, saying walang kwenta.
Yung Mario
The only man standing.
Mamlagan dito yan. I mean, sa direct relative, Uncle Sam. Thank you. This I'm saying, not only from me, but I know this is what Manang Alo wants to say.
I love you all.
I love you all.